May boyfriend ka na?
No. Corona lang.
Lungkot naman yan. Marami pong salamat, Miss Kylie Versosa. Again,
Hindi siya malungkot.
di ba? Hindi, ibig sabihin,
No, of course not.
palagay ko.
The crown is only once in a lifetime.
Oh, yes. At isa lang ang pinipiling Miss International. Right?
Oo.
Oh. Pero may naliligaw sa'yo, of course.
Wala naman po.
Ngayon, dadami na. Miss Kylie, maraming salamat. Again,
Yes.
congratulations and
Maraming
good
salamat.
luck.